Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to our channel. With summer in full swing, it's time to beat the heat with some delicious and refreshing drinks. Today, I have 5 fantastic recipes that will keep you cool and hydrated all season long. So, let's jump right into it. First up, we have a watermelon mint cooler. This delightful drink combines the sweetness of watermelon with the freshness of mint. It's super easy to make. Ingredients: 4 cups watermelon chunks, 1 4-cup fresh mint leaves, 2 tablespoons lime juice, ice cubes. Just blend together some watermelon chunks, fresh mint leaves, and a splash of lime juice. Pour it over ice and garnish with a sprig of mint. Refreshing. Next on our list is a classic mango lassi. This creamy and tropical delight is perfect for mango lovers. Ingredients: 1 ripe mango peeled and chopped, 1 cup yogurt, 1/2 cup milk, 2 tablespoons honey, adjust to taste. A pinch of cardamom powder, optional. Ice cubes. Blend together ripe mango chunks, yogurt, milk, honey, and a pinch of cardamom powder. Add some ice, give it a good blend, and serve chilled. Your taste buds will thank you. Now let's bring a taste of the tropics with a pineapple coconut mocktail. Ingredients: 1 cup pineapple juice, 1 2-cup coconut water, 2 tablespoons lime juice, 2 tablespoons simple syrup, optional for added sweetness. Pineapple slices and mint leaves for garnish. Ice cubes. Combine pineapple juice, coconut water, lime juice, and a touch of simple syrup if you like it sweeter. Shake it all up, pour it over ice, and garnish with pineapple slices and mint leaves. Voila! You have a vacation in a glass. Looking for something light and refreshing? Our cucumber lemonade is the answer. Ingredients: 2 cucumbers peeled and chopped, 1 cup lemon juice, 1 2-cup sugar, adjust to taste. 4 cups water, fresh mint leaves for garnish. Ice cubes. Blend together fresh cucumbers, lemon juice, sugar, and water. Strain it to remove any pulp, pour it over ice, and garnish with mint leaves. Sip on this cool and tangy concoction while relaxing by the pool. Last but not least, we have a cool twist on a classic. Iced herbal tea is perfect for those who prefer a lighter option. Ingredients: 4 cups water, 4 herbal tea bags, your choice of flavor, 1 4-cup honey, adjust to taste, lemon slices and fresh berries for garnish. Ice cubes. Brew your favorite herbal tea, add some honey to sweeten it up, and let it chill in the fridge. Serve it over ice, garnish with lemon slices and fresh berries, and enjoy the natural goodness. And there you have it, folks. 5 refreshing drink recipes to keep you cool and hydrated this summer. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue, lounging on the beach, or simply enjoying a sunny day, these drinks are a must-try. Stay tuned for more exciting recipes and tips on our channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a sip of our refreshing content. Cheers to a fantastic summer.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.